Let me ask you something. Do you dread meal prep, or maybe you skip it altogether? Because who really wants to spend 2 hours in the kitchen on a Sunday, every Sunday, when you could be out doing something fun? Hey, my name is Katie Haynes, founder of the Happy Body Collective, and today I'm going to share the top 3 mistakes I see people making all the time when it comes to meal prep and how to fix it so that you can eat better all week long with less effort. The first meal prep mistake is thinking that meal prep has to be done a certain way. So we've all seen the hashtag meal prep Sunday and the beautiful Instagram photos that go along with it. But look, if that doesn't work for you in your life, don't do it that way. Meal prep should fit into your life. You shouldn't be making your life revolve around meal prep. So the fix here is to experiment with different kinds of meal prep and understand that you just got to find what works for you. So maybe getting everything done on a Sunday does work best for you. Maybe doing a Sunday and Wednesday meal prep would work. Maybe for you, it's doing a little bit of meal prep throughout the week. Just figure out what works for you right now in this season of life and understand that that might change. The second mistake is going all or nothing when it comes to meal prep. This is you if you're able to stay on track for 3, 4, 5 weeks and then something happens, like the kids get sick and then you have a big project due at work and then the dog gets sick and then you kind of fall off the wagon and then don't get back on maybe until next January. So here's the thing I want you to understand. Here's the fix. Know that there is an ebb and flow to all of this health and wellness stuff, but especially to meal prep, and be gentle with yourself. So if you fall out of the habit for a couple of weeks, that's okay. Just get right back into it. It doesn't mean that you failed. It doesn't mean you're bad at it. It just means that you got busy. So get back on track. And you'll find that there are times in your life where meal prep feels better. Like when you're coming back from vacation and you want to get back into the swing of things and you know that having your foods that help you feel good is going to help that happen. That's a great time to meal prep. I love meal prepping and being all ready to go when I'm really busy. So when I give myself that time to prep ahead, I just feel so much better and have so much more energy throughout the week eating good, healthy meals that I don't have to put a ton of effort into. The third mistake is getting stuck in the thinking that meal prep is a drag. This is all about your mindset. So imagine if you thought that meal prep was a drag and you didn't really ever want to do it and you'd much rather do really anything else. Relax and play with your kids or read a book or just have whatever time to yourself you've been wanting that you didn't get throughout the week. Meal prep is not going to happen. That doesn't sound like fun. We don't want to do that. Here's the fix. I want you to ask yourself these 2 questions. The first question is, what am I telling myself about meal prep? Are my thoughts negative when it comes to meal prep? The second question is, what is meal prep going to do for me? What are my goals when it comes to meal prepping? Right? So my goal is to be able to eat well throughout the week when I'm busy. But maybe your goal is to help with weight loss or to feed your kids really well throughout a busy work week. But identify your why when it comes to meal prep so that you can start to think about it in a more positive light. Because when you think about it more positively, you're going to be more likely to actually get it done. And honestly, what it all comes down to is having a meal prep mindset, kind of committing to the fact that you're going to be doing some meal prep. It might not look perfect. It might not be great every week, but you're going to do a little bit. It comes back to something I say all the time when it comes to health and wellness, staying focused on what you can do. Don't get caught up in how busy you are and what's not getting done and what doesn't look right. Just focus on what you can get done and help yourself out just a little bit. So those are my fixes to 3 common meal prep mistakes that I see all the time. In the comments below, I would love to know what troubles you when it comes to meal prep, or what do you do to make meal prep feel super easy? Tell me below. I would love to know. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.